What if a child could read street signs before speaking in full sentences? Meet Aiden Wilkins, a 9-year-old from Montgomery County who's already rewriting the rules of academic potential. This isn't just a feel-good story. It's a glimpse into the extraordinary world of child prodigies and the questions they raise about education, talent, and the future of learning. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. Aiden isn't just reading books. He's studying neuroscience at Ursinus College, a step closer to his dream of becoming a pediatric neurosurgeon. But how did a toddler who could decode signs at age 2 end up on this path? Let's break it down. Aiden's journey began with an unusual gift. While most children his age were learning to tie shoelaces, he was already reading. I could just read them when most kids at my age, at like 2, could barely even speak, he recalls. His family soon realized this wasn't a fluke. A formal gifted test confirmed their suspicious. Aiden's cognitive abilities were off the charts. Now a high school sophomore at Reach Cyber Charter High School, he's balancing advanced coursework with college-level neuroscience classes. His mother, Veronica, describes the experience as both awe-inspiring and humbling. It's all about him and his journey, and me just supporting his journey, she says, emphasizing the unique challenges of raising a child who thinks decades ahead of his peers. But here's the twist. Aiden isn't just a bookworm. He's a kid who loves video games and soccer, proving that genius doesn't erase childhood. You can do anything, he advises others. You really just have to put the work into it. His words spark a debate. Is his success purely innate talent, or does it take a village to nurture such brilliance? And what does this mean for children who aren't gifted, but still want to achieve greatness? Aiden's future is already dazzling. Top-tier medical schools like Johns Hopkins and Princeton are on his radar, and his chances of admission? Exceptional, as one might expect. Yet his story raises a controversial question. Should our education system adapt more for prodigies, or are these exceptions that prove the rule? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe every child has the potential to reach Aiden's level with the right support? Or is his case truly one of a kind? Share your perspective in the comments below.